Hello everyone, for this video guys, good morning, 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 good morning everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world guys. Ayan, so for today's videos, this is my breakfast, pansit, pandesal with coffee guys. Coffee, porong coffee. Ayan. Masarap kasi yung porong coffee kasi masarap. Masarap ang aroma. Guys, ang pandesal. Diba? Pandesal yan. 5 piraso plus coffee. Tapos pansit. Yummy guys. So ayan guys, for today's video guys, this is my breakfast, pansit pandesal with coffee. Ano to guys? Ayan. Kasi kailangan kahapon ano yan eh, kahapon palabok kahapon, ngayon pansit. And the next day is mag-isip muna tayo kung ano pang ano natin yung breakfast. So ayan guys, thank you so much sa inyong pagsama lahat sa akin guys. Is in the house, please support, please like and share, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much all of you guys. Mapagpalang Huwebes na umaga sa atin lahat guys. Bliss Thursday morning everyone. Bliss Thursday morning. So ayan guys, ang ating video for today's pansit pandesal with coffee. So ayan, thank you so much guys sa inyong pagsama sa akin. Bye bye, babu, yahoo, good morning everyone.